Hey guys, welcome back to Davos video and our WikidPad reference tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about how to hide information. Let's get started. First things first, let's jump down to our new header 11.0 hide information. So we're looking at this in preview view right now, where in reality there's actually 5 lines here. So we're going to switch over to editor view, Control Shift Space. All right, so we have our first, second, third, fourth, and fifth lines. Hiding information is really basic. You're going to put in 2 less than or greater than signs and type the word hide. Then hit enter, and then anything that you put in here will be hidden once you close out your function. To close out the function, you're just going to go down to a new line and do 2 greater than or less than signs. Let's copy and paste this here, and we'll put a backward slash in front of this. Go back to preview mode. So there's our function hide, and then anything will be hidden. This is our element, and this is the close of our function. We want to make it a little bit easier to read or see. Let's go in a little bit more simple, backward slash, hide, and close it out. And this is the function. One good example of information that you might want to hide from preview mode are commands that edit what your tree looks like. So down here, I'm going to type in left bracket bold, colon, true, close bracket. And you can see it becomes gray. That means that it worked. You can't really see it here because we have it highlighted. If I click off of it, now you can see that the WikidPad reference page is now bold. If I go back to WikidPad reference and I go into preview mode, you can see that down here, my attribute command is showing up at the bottom of the page. Well, if I don't want that to show up, or if I want all of my attributes to be hidden, this is where that really comes into handy. So I'm going to go ahead and do 2 less than greater than signs with the word hide. I'll jump down below here and do 2 greater than or less than signs. And we will look at this in preview. And you can note that our bold function is no longer here, but it is still applying to our tree right there. So this can be extremely useful. In another video, we're going to go over how to change the icons here. All right, that's all we have for today. Thank you for joining me. Please like and subscribe to our videos, and we'll catch you next time.